I hear your voice in the silence, fading like a distant dream. Shadows dancing on the ceiling, but you're not here with me. Cold nights, empty spaces, your jacket's still on my chair. Every memory I'm chasing feels like you're almost there. I try to let go, but my heart won't listen. Every goodbye feels like it's unfinished. Tell me why it hurts this way, even when you're miles away. I'm calling out your name tonight. Don't leave me in the dark tonight. Don't fade into the morning light. I'm holding on to what we were, even if it breaks.